Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdur Rehman. In this lesson, you will learn how to express or convert these types of quadratic expression in the form of ax plus b whole square plus c, or in completing the square. This lesson will be very helpful for class 9, 10, and 11 O level students, O level math and math students, as well as helpful for A level students in the topic quadratic and function. Here, I'm going to explain how to express or convert in completing square form, or ax plus b whole a bracket x plus b whole square plus c form here. So let's start. I'm going to example number one. In this example, you have to express the following quadratic expression in completing the square or in the form of ax plus b square plus c form. So the first step is you have to write x square as positive, as coefficient of positive 1. It means you have to remove this negative sign. So the first step is you have to take common minus. I'm going to take minus as common. So when you take minus as common, it will be x square minus 5x. Change all the signs of x square and 5x. Next step is we have to we have to write in three terms by using an identity. So recall the identity. Identity is a square minus 2ab plus b square will be a minus b whole square. So by writing empty parenthesis, a square minus 2ab plus b square. These are two terms here. So, and there are three terms: a square minus 2a square minus 2ab plus b square. So, by writing negative term minus, so a square, a is x here, by putting x in the place of a, and b is unknown. So how to find b here? By comparing the second term with minus 2x and the question mark, like minus, the second term is minus 5x. By comparing these two terms, you can find the value of b here. So by writing minus 5x, compare with minus 2 times of x, question mark here. So question mark will be minus 5x over minus 2x. The unknown is 5 over 2 here. So by writing 5 over 2, now we have to write these three terms as an identity. The identity for these three terms is a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. So I'm going to write these three terms as an identity, which will be minus times x minus 5 over 2 whole square and minus 5 over 2 whole square, the remaining portion here. By expanding the bracket. So minus x minus 5 over 2 whole square minus minus plus 5 over 2 whole square. So the final answer will be minus x minus 5 over 2 whole square plus 25 over 4. So in this example, the value of x here. Sorry, minus 1. The value of a is minus 1 here. The value of b is minus 5 over 2. And the value of c is 25 over 4 here. So this is our final answer here. Minus times x minus 5 over 2 whole square plus 25 over 4 is your final answer. Now, example, we have to express the following quadratic expression in the completing square form or ax plus b whole square plus c form. The first step is first term must be positive 1 coefficient, but here the 3 you have to remove this 3. To remove this 3, I'm going to take common 3 as common here. So within the bracket, what will you do? We have to divide 3x square by common 3. So 3x square divided by common, you will get x square here, and divide minus 2x by 3. When you divide minus 2x by 3, it will be same. It will be same minus 2x over 3. So I'm going to write minus 2x over 3. Rule is you have to divide each term with common. Next step is by using an identity a square minus 2ab plus b square, I'm going to write identity again. A square minus 2ab plus b square, which will be a minus b whole square. So trying to as an identity here. So method is taking empty parenthesis with a square, a square minus 2ab plus b square, and don't forget to write negative as last parenthesis square here, because there are 2 terms and there are 1, 2, 3 terms here. So you have to write parenthesis square with negative sign. Last 2 will be cancelled. A square, a is x here, so I'm going to write x. A square minus 2ab, but b is still unknown. How to find b? To find b, to find b, you have to convert, you have to compare this. You have to compare this second term 2x over 3 with 2x question mark the second term. We have to compare or equate. By comparing or equating, second term is 2x over 3. By comparing with 2 bracket x times question mark. So question mark will be 2x over 3 times 2x. Cancel out 1 here, and the 1 unknown will be 1 over 3. So I'm going to write 1 over 3 here. In the place of question mark, I'm going to write 1 over 3. So it will be 1 over 3, 1 over 3, and 1 over 3. Next step is convert it into an identity. Is a square minus 2ab plus b square, which will be a minus b whole square. So 3 times of a minus b is 1 over 3 whole square. Don't forget to write the last term minus the last term, which is minus 1 over 3 whole square. Now, by expanding bracket, we get 3 times of x minus 1 over 3 whole square minus 3 times of 1 over 3 whole square. So, it will be 3 times of x minus 1 over 3 whole square minus 3 times of 1 over 9. Final answer will be 3 times of x minus 1 over 3 whole square minus 1 over 3 is the final answer here. Now, move on second example, third example. In this example, we have to express the following, the quadratic expression minus 5x square plus 3x in the form of completing a square or a bracket x plus b square plus c. So, but don't forget to write the first term with coefficient with positive 1 coefficient here, negative 5 coefficient here. So I'm going to take negative 5 as common. After taking minus 5 is common, divide each term by minus 5. When we divide each term by minus 5 here, so minus 5x square over minus 5 will be x square, and plus 3x over minus 5 will be plus 3x divided by common, which was minus 5. It will be minus plus minus minus 3 over 5x. So minus 3 over 5x, write down. Next step is we have to write the fourth term, because I'm going to use identity a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square will be a minus b whole square. For this purpose, I'm going to write 3 empty parentheses with a square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, and don't forget to write the last term with negative sign. So by putting the values, the a was x, a square minus 2ab, b is unknown here. We can find b by comparing the second terms. So 3 over 5x is second term, and the second term is twice of x time question mark. So I'm going to compare minus 3 over minus 3 over 5, or you can say 3 over 5. 3 over 5x, or you can say 3x over 5, comparing with twice of x times question mark. So question mark will be 3x over 5 times twice of x. It will be 3 over 5. So x square, this is 3 over 5 and twice of no. Using an identity here, minus 5. So a square a square minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square will be a minus b whole square. Don't forget to write minus 3 over 5 whole square by expanding the brackets. We get minus 5 times of x minus 3 over 5 whole square minus minus plus 3 over 5 whole square. Now minus 5 times x minus 3 over 5 whole square plus 9 over 25 is the final answer. Move on. Example number 4 here. In this example number 4, there is a quadratic expression with rational coefficient 3 over 5, 3 over 5, and 3 over 5 x square. First step is we have to take common, because x square, the coefficient of x square must be positive 1. So for this purpose, we have to take 3 over 4 as common. By taking 3 over 4 as common here. So 3 over 4 is common, and the rule is you have to divide each term by common. The first 3 over 4 x square divided by 3 over 4. So 3 over 4 x square divided by 3 over 4. So it will be only x square. Write down x square here. And negative 2x divided by 3 over 4, we get multiply 4 over 3. It will be minus 8x over 3. Minus 8x over 3. Now, since here coefficient of x square is 1 here, so start working. Convert x square minus 8 over 3x in an identity. The a square minus 2ab plus b square will be a minus b whole square. So for this, 3 over 4 as it is, a square minus 2ab plus b square and minus b square. Don't forget to write an extra parenthesis with the square. So a is x here, and b is unknown. So x a square minus 2ab is unknown. So I'm going to write the question mark here. Now we can find question mark by comparing the second term with 2x of question mark, the second term. So by comparing the second term, minus 8x over 3 with this second term. So 8x over 3 comparing with 2x question mark, we get question mark is 8x over 3 times 2x. So 2 ones are 2, 2 to the 4, 4 over 3. 4 over 3 here. Remove question mark sign and write down 4 over 3. So 4 over 3, 4 over 3, and 4 over 3. Now convert it into the identity in the factorized form, which is a square minus 2ab plus b square will be 3 over 4 a minus b whole square, and the last term minus 4 over 3 whole square as it is. So 3 over, by expanding brackets, 3 over 4 x minus 4 over 3 whole square will be minus 16 over 9. Now expanding the bracket, 3 over 4 x minus 4 over 3 whole square minus 3 times of 16 over 4 times of 9. 3 1 the 3, 3 3 is the 9, 4 1 the 4, 4 4 the 16. The final answer will be 3 over 4x minus 4 over 3 whole square minus 4 over 3 is the is the completing the square form. Yeah, so I hope you have understood how to convert how to convert a quadratic expression with two terms, and when there is some coefficient of x square. So if you confuse, kindly watch this video again and again. So stay connected, like, share with your friends, subscribe, and don't forget press the bell icon. Thank you very much.